We're here at the PFC Brakes booth, and I'm with my friend Chris, and we're checking out some pretty sweet brakes on display today.
Yeah, what we have here is our ZR24 package, and we're excited to talk about our new pricing for 2019.
All right, Chris, give me some of the details on the new pricing of this brake system.
So the new pricing of the brake system, we've been able to cut it 50% this year, mostly due to our success of the package. It's 8 pounds lighter than the competitors. We were able to win the World 100 this year with Tim McCready with it, and we've also gone undefeated on Bubba Pollard's Pro Late model for 8 races in a row since he built the car. So we've had a lot of success with this package, and we've sold a lot of them, so we were able to cut the cost by 50% and help the racers pick up the pace a little bit.
Talk to me about the construction, because earlier you and I were talking, and you can pull it apart and you can kind of show us what's going on with it.
So it's based off of our monoblock design, just like all of our short track calipers. Lighter, stiffer, cooler, quicker, and it also includes our V3 design for the disc attachment, so you can take the disc apart, it floats freely, and you don't have the constriction of any bobbins or bolts or anything like that.
And you talked about this whole package being 8 pounds lighter than pretty much anybody else. How do you do that?
Well, if we told you that, we'd have some problems, so we have to keep that under our belt, but we've been able to reduce a lot of the weight by the disc attachment with the V3 system. We've also reduced the weight by going down in the pad volume and some other little tricks and secrets that we have that are proprietary to PFC.
And what kinds of applications do you use this type of a brake system on?
This specific brake system we use on the rear of a lot of Pro Late models on asphalt. We use it on all 4 corners of Pro Dirt Late models, crate cars. And then we also use it on the front of some of the super late models such as Tim McCready. Use it on the front of the big block modifieds in the Northeast. So it has a lot of different homes, and it does a lot of winning across the country.
This is a really nice looking brake system, and it obviously works really well. If somebody wanted to purchase or just find out more information about it, where could they go?
You can find out more information about it on our social channels, as well as who's winning on it. Facebook, PFC Brakes, Twitter and Instagram at PFC Brakes, as well as our website, pfcbrakes.com. You can find out all the information you need on it, and you can give us a call, and we'll get you hooked up.
All right, thanks a lot, Chris. Make sure to stay tuned here. Power Automedia for everything new at PRI.